Welcome back to day 41. Today, we focus on priorities, time management, and professional organization. In the workplace, productivity is not just about working hard, it's about deciding what deserves attention first, where resources should go, and what must wait. Let's upgrade your professional vocabulary. 1. Prioritize. Instead of saying focus on first, upgrade to prioritize. This means deciding which tasks, goals, or responsibilities are the most important. Definition: to decide which of a group of things are the most important so that you can deal with them first. For example, we need to prioritize customer complaints before launching new features. The upgrade nuance. Focus on is general. Prioritize suggests structured decision-making and strategic attention management. Question for you. What task should you prioritize more effectively this week? 2. Allocate. Instead of saying give or assign resources, use allocate. This means officially distributing time, money, staff, or resources for a specific purpose. Definition: to give something to someone as their share of a total amount, to use in a particular way. For example, the company allocated additional funding to the research department. The upgrade nuance. Give is basic. Allocate sounds professional and organizational. It suggests controlled distribution based on planning and strategy. Question for you. What resource, time, money, or energy do you need to allocate more carefully? 3. Postpone. Instead of saying delay or do later, upgrade to postpone. This means deciding that something will happen at a later time than originally planned. Definition: to delay an event and plan or decide that it should happen at a later date or time. For example, the meeting was postponed until next Friday. The upgrade nuance. Delay can sound accidental. Postpone sounds intentional and organized. It suggests a professional scheduling decision rather than a problem. Question for you. What activity or responsibility have you recently had to postpone? Contextual summary. We decided to prioritize urgent client requests, allocate more staff to customer support, and postpone the internal training session until next week. Key takeaway. Prioritize is about deciding what matters most. Allocate is about distributing resources strategically. Postpone is about managing timing professionally. Professional English often reflects control, planning, and efficient decision-making. Now, it's your turn for a challenge. Upgrade this sentence. We need to focus on the important tasks, give more time to the project, and do the meeting later. Rewrite it using today's vocabulary and post it in the comments. Thank you for your focus today. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lesson.